Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a video tutorial on how to get a Minecraft server, and this isn't going to be 24/7. Well, it can be if you leave your computer on 24/7. So also mine is port forwarded, but yours won't be, just so you know, because I've already port forwarded mine for a different server I had a long time ago. Anyway, so you're going to go to your internet and go to this website, dl.bukkit.org, and don't get this one, this is 1.6.4. You're going to get this 1.7.2, or you can go to alternate versions, and I think there's a dev build for 1.7.5. Yes, there is. So just go download the dev build. Just keep. I will start downloading. And then once you've got this, you're going to want to make a new folder on your desktop and call it anything you want. I'm just going to call my YouTube server. What? Wait, what? That's better. Don't know what just happened then. Rename YouTube folder. No, sorry. Server. Okay. So you're going to open up the folder, and you can put it to one side, it doesn't really matter. And you're going to get this, and you're just going to drag it in. And then you don't want all of this code bit, like not code, numbers and stuff on the end. So you're just going to highlight it and get rid of it all, so it just says craft bucket. And then you're going to want to create a new text document and just call it well, you don't have to call it anything. Open it and then go back to the internet, and then you're going to also want to, you can close this page now. You're going to want to go to wiki.bukkit.org/setting_up_a_server. All these links will be in the description. And then if you're on Windows, you're going to copy this, which I'm on Windows. If you're on Linux, you're going to do like something else here, and then copy that and do the rest. And Mac, that I only know how to do Windows because Windows is what I use, and it's the easiest thing, I guess, that I think. So you're just going to paste this into your text document, press File, Save As, and save it as start or whatever you want. You can put it as like .bat, like you don't have to. I'm just going to call my run, and then you do .bat. Then save as type, this is very important. You have to select, where is it? .bat, here we go, batch file, .bat, .cmd or .nt, but we're using .bat, so you're going to do that and just save. If you're on Notepad++, it will recognise the code. Now when you go back in here, you've got like run, for craft bucket. You can delete the new text document, don't need that anymore. So now you're just going to hit run, and it's going to start up your server. I'm just going to close that one. Anyway, once it's loaded, I'll be back when that's done because my computer is really slow, so it's going to take ages to load. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so mine started to do things. It's going to generate all of these files in your folder, and just make sure there's no errors in this. There shouldn't be if you follow this tutorial. And also this is the same for every single version of Bukkit unless they change it in the future. But yeah, if they do change it, I'll update it. But basically, the link I gave you is always going to be the updated version of Craft Bukkit, no matter what. As long as you go into alternate versions and download it, it's always going to be it. So it's going to say done. So now you can open up Minecraft, but your server, you don't know what the IP is yet, unless you already know what your IPv4 address is. But basically what we're going to do, this is going to be a Hamachi server, which is why it's an IPv4 address. So you're going to open up Minecraft and I'll see you in the game. Okay, so we're in the game and we'll go to multiplayer. By the way, these servers are really awesome. I really recommend going and checking out the Hive, Anthem server, Hive, not the Hive, that's Mineplex, the Hive and Blockville. It's a really good survival mini games and everything server. They literally have specs and stuff has, but they have a survival world, and I believe creative, so they're really awesome. So you're going to add your server and just call it something like my server, and then the address you're going to put localhost, all in one word. That should say my server and then a Minecraft server. You can like go into, I believe it's this one, it says server, it's a properties file, and then when you're in here you can change what it says. So where it says a Minecraft server, there it is, you can change it to something like hello YouTube. You can set like spawning monsters, you could set the max players to like 800, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to set mine to like 60. Difficulty, you can set the difficulty. 1 is creative, 0 is survival, and 2 is adventure. PvP, on and off, recommended resource pack. Online mode, basically if it's false then the people without Minecraft accounts can join. So you just save it, exit, and then go back into your CMD and then type RL or reload. It's going to reload it, it's really fast because I haven't got any plugins. Then watch this player counter right here, and it didn't work, but it displays my message and it didn't say hello, it says hell. Hello's okay, I guess. So you can join the server, and you can join the server. Join the server, please. Here we go. So it's going to load the world. It may take a bit of time, but as you can see, you're in Minecraft and I'm lagging because I'm recording with Bandicam, and I'm kind of frozen. But this is just vanilla. Like, it's not vanilla, but there's not any commands different to vanilla at the moment, which is probably why you're upgrading to Bukkit. So, this is what you have to do. You have to download a plugin. Let me just come out of the server at the moment. So you're going to download a plugin. I've already done that, and it's called Essentials. You're just going to open up the plugin. Sometimes you have to actually like open it, sometimes you don't. I don't know why it correct like that. Oh well. I'm just going to make that one. So it's got all of these plugins, and you're just going to open the plugins folder, highlight them, drag them in. Don't drag in this. Please don't drag in that. That would be terrible. Anyway, so once you've got that in, you can just go ahead and open up your run thing. Oh, it's already running, isn't it? So you're just going to type reload or RL. That should say essentials chat and things like that. Just waiting for Mojang to load up. Now you're probably wondering, how do I find out my IP? So just go search CMD, and it's going to open something that looks exactly like this. In fact, it's the same thing, it's just a different thing, I guess. Like, this is the server one, and this is a general everything one. So, but I believe if you put the code that we put into the file in here, it would like do that, I guess. Control, I don't know. But we're just going to type in ipconfig, all one word, and then we're going to scroll up, and we'll have Ethernet adapter area, local area connection, and Hamachi. So you're going to select the you're going to go to the Hamachi one, and there should be an IPv4 address. It's going to look something like 25.25.30.113.9. Yeah. This, I don't know if you can connect with this one. I'm not going to try it. That's local area. I don't think you can. But you can connect with Hamachi. This is the one you'd use if you had it port forwarded, I guess. So servers, we can add server 25.30.113.9, I believe it was. I kind of remember mine because I've used it so much. Yeah, there we go. So we can just delete this one, and that's it. I'm going to try the 192 bit now. So add server 192.168.1.67. Yeah, that works as well. So you can use either, it seems. Okay, so we can join the server. I'm just going to close that down now. This is still open, remember? Server should always be open like this. And you can connect with the local host IP, just like local host like that. As you can see, this time it said you have no new mail. That's because we've got essentials. So if you do /pl, that'll come up with the plugins. You can also type /plugins. It will have essentials, essentials chat, essentials protect, essentials anti-build, and essentials spawn. This allows you to do things like /spawn, /heal, /set spawn. But I'm not op. So to op yourself, you just go to op, and then your in-game name, and then set spawn. You can do /spawn. So yeah, it's a really good plugin. I recommend it. Anyway, so that's how you make a Minecraft server, and I'll see you all in a little bit. Goodbye.